Did you know that the average worker is productive for less than 3 hours a day? Shocking, right? Or that decision fatigue can make even the simplest choices feel like a burden? These are just a few surprising facts about office productivity. In this video, we're diving into the hidden secrets of maximizing your efficiency at work. We'll explore the power of micro tasks and how they can turn wasted minutes into big wins. You'll learn about brainwave hacking and how to use your natural rhythms for peak performance. Ever heard of decision fatigue fighters? We'll show you how to streamline your choices and save your brain power for what really matters. Plus, we'll reveal how to adapt the Pomodoro Technique to keep your focus sharp all day long. But that's not all. We'll also share strategies to transform your meetings from time wasters into productivity boosters. And finally, discover how to design your workspace for ultimate efficiency, making every minute count. Ready to unlock your full potential at the office? Let's get started. Chapter 1: The Power of Microtasks, Transforming Minutes into Milestones. Have you ever found yourself with a few spare minutes and no idea what to do with them? Those little chunks of time can be surprisingly productive if used wisely. This is where microtasks come in. Microtasks are small, manageable tasks that take just a few minutes to complete. They might seem insignificant, but they add up quickly. One of the best things about microtasks is how they fit into your day. You can do them during breaks, between meetings, or while waiting for something else to start. A study by the American Psychological Association found that short, focused bursts of work can actually improve productivity. This is because they prevent burnout and keep you engaged. For example, if you have 5 minutes, you could organize your email inbox. In 10 minutes, you could outline a report. These small tasks help you make progress even when you don't have much time. Over a week, these micro tasks can add up to a lot of completed work. David Allen, the author of Getting Things Done, says, "Much of the stress that people feel doesn't come from having too much to do. It comes from not finishing what they started." Micro tasks help you finish things, which can reduce stress. You might wonder how to keep track of all these micro tasks. One effective strategy is to make a list of tasks that take 5, 10, or 15 minutes. Keep this list handy, so you can quickly choose something to do when you have a bit of free time. There are also apps like Todoist and Trello that can help you manage these tasks. Another tip is to set clear priorities for your micro tasks. Focus on tasks that will have the biggest impact. For instance, responding to an important email might be more valuable than organizing your desk. By prioritizing, you ensure that your time is spent on what matters most. Micro tasks also help you build momentum. Completing a small task gives you a sense of accomplishment. This feeling can motivate you to tackle bigger tasks. It's like a productivity snowball effect. Chapter 2: Brainwave Hacking, Utilizing Ultradian Rhythms for Peak Performance. Do you ever notice that your energy levels fluctuate throughout the day? This isn't just random. It's actually due to something called ultradian rhythms. These are natural cycles in our bodies that last about 90 to 120 minutes, followed by a short period of lower energy. Understanding these rhythms can help you work more efficiently. For example, you can schedule your most important tasks during your high-energy periods. Research from the National Institute of General Medical Sciences shows that aligning work with these cycles can enhance productivity and focus. Think about the last time you felt really focused. It was probably during a high-energy phase. By recognizing and leveraging these periods, you can get more done in less time. It's a bit like riding a wave, you go much further with less effort. One practical way to use ultradian rhythms is to plan your day in 90-minute blocks. During each block, focus on a single task. Then, take a short break. This aligns with the body's natural need for rest and renewal. Dr. Ernest Rossi, in his book The 20-Minute Break, explains that these short breaks are crucial for maintaining high levels of performance. During your high-energy phases, tackle tasks that require deep concentration. This could be writing reports, analyzing data, or creative brainstorming. Save less demanding tasks, like answering emails or filing, for low-energy periods. It's also important to take breaks seriously. These aren't just pauses in work, they're opportunities for your brain to recharge. A study from the University of Illinois found that brief diversions can dramatically improve focus. So, when you take a break, really disconnect. Stretch, take a walk, or have a healthy snack. You can also use techniques like meditation or deep breathing during breaks to boost your recovery. These practices help reduce stress and prepare you for the next high-energy phase. Chapter 3: Decision Fatigue Fighters, Streamlining Choices for Maximum Efficiency. Ever felt drained after making too many decisions? That's decision fatigue. It happens when your brain gets tired from making too many choices. By the end of the day, even small decisions can feel overwhelming. This can hurt your productivity. One way to fight decision fatigue is to simplify your choices. Steve Jobs famously wore the same outfit every day to avoid wasting mental energy on clothing decisions. Mark Zuckerberg and Barack Obama have also used this strategy. This lets them save their brain power for more important decisions. You can use a similar approach at work. Start by creating routines. For example, have a set morning routine to start your day. This reduces the number of decisions you need to make when you're just waking up. Research from the University of Minnesota shows that routines can help reduce decision fatigue and increase productivity. Another strategy is to limit your options. Too many choices can be paralyzing. Barry Schwartz, in his book The Paradox of Choice, explains that having fewer options can actually make us happier and more efficient. So, streamline your choices wherever possible. This could mean having a set lunch menu or a standard way of organizing your tasks. You can also delegate decisions. Trust your team to handle smaller choices. This not only empowers them but also frees up your mental energy for bigger decisions. A study from Harvard Business Review found that effective delegation can increase productivity by up to 33%. Using decision-making frameworks can also help. For example, the Eisenhower matrix helps you prioritize tasks by urgency and importance. This makes it easier to decide what to focus on first. The 80-20 rule, or Pareto principle, suggests that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Focus on the tasks that will have the biggest impact. Automating decisions can be a game changer. Use tools like calendar reminders and task management apps to handle routine decisions. This reduces the number of choices you need to make each day. A study by McKinsey found that automation can improve productivity by up to 20%. Another tip is to make decisions in the morning. Your brain is freshest then, so you're more likely to make better choices. Research from the American Psychological Association supports this, showing that decision quality declines throughout the day. Chapter 4, The Pomodoro Pivot, Adapting the Technique for Office Success. The Pomodoro Technique is a popular productivity tool. It involves working in short, focused bursts with regular breaks. This method helps maintain high levels of focus and prevent burnout. The basic idea is to work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. To make this technique work in an office setting, you might need to tweak it a bit. First, adjust the work intervals to fit your tasks. For example, if you're working on a complex project, you might need longer periods of focus, like 45 minutes. Using a timer is key to this technique. It creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay on track. There are many apps available, like Focus Booster and Pomodoro, that can help you manage your time. One unique benefit of the Pomodoro technique is that it helps you understand how long tasks really take. This can improve your planning skills and make you more efficient. A study from the University of California, Irvine found that it takes an average of 23 minutes to refocus after a distraction. By using timed intervals, you can reduce these distractions. Make sure to use your breaks wisely. They're a chance to recharge and prepare for the next work session. You could stretch, take a short walk, or practice deep breathing. These activities help refresh your mind and body. It's also important to set clear goals for each Pomodoro session. Knowing exactly what you need to accomplish helps you stay focused. This aligns with the concept of SMART goals, which are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Another tip is to track your progress. At the end of each day, review what you've accomplished. This can give you a sense of achievement and help you plan for the next day. Leo Babauta, author of The Power of Less, says, "Focus on the task at hand, and the results will follow." Adapting the Pomodoro technique can also involve working with your team. If possible, sync your work intervals with your colleagues. This can improve collaboration and ensure everyone is on the same page. Chapter 5, The Meeting Matrix, Turning Collaborative Time into Productive Outcomes. Meetings can be a huge drain on productivity if not managed well. But with the right strategies, they can become powerhouses of efficiency and collaboration. The key is to plan and execute them with precision. Start by defining the purpose of the meeting. Is it to brainstorm, make decisions, or share updates? Knowing the goal helps keep everyone focused. According to a survey by Harvard Business Review, 71% of managers said meetings are unproductive and inefficient. Clear objectives can change that. Limit the number of participants. The more people, the harder it is to stay on track. Jeff Bezos uses the 2-pizza rule. If a team can't be fed with 2 pizzas, it's too large. This keeps meetings more focused and effective. Create a detailed agenda. Outline what will be discussed and for how long. Share it with participants ahead of time. This gives everyone a chance to prepare. A study from the University of North Carolina found that well-prepared meetings are 50% more productive. Start and end on time. Respect everyone's schedules. If meetings consistently run over, participants will lose focus and interest. A timer can help keep things on track. Tools like Toggle or Time Timer can be useful for this. Encourage active participation. Everyone should feel free to contribute. Use techniques like round robin, where each person has a turn to speak. This ensures all voices are heard and can lead to more creative solutions. Use technology wisely. Tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Slack can enhance collaboration, especially for remote teams. But avoid tech overload. Too many tools can create confusion and reduce efficiency. Summarize key points and action items at the end of the meeting. Make sure everyone knows what they need to do next. Follow up with a written summary. This keeps everyone accountable and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Consider standing meetings. Research from Washington University shows that stand-up meetings are 34% shorter than sit-down ones, yet just as effective. This encourages brevity and keeps energy levels high. Meeting-free days can also boost productivity. Try setting aside 1 day a week with no meetings. This gives everyone a chance to focus on deep work without interruptions. Companies like Asana and Shopify have implemented this with great success. Chapter 6, Workspace Alchemy, Designing Your Office for Ultimate Efficiency. Your workspace has a big impact on your productivity. A well-designed office can boost your focus, creativity, and overall efficiency. It's all about creating an environment that supports your work habits. Start with ergonomics. Proper ergonomics can reduce strain and prevent injuries. Make sure your chair supports your back and your computer screen is at eye level. According to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, good ergonomics can increase productivity by up to 25%. Declutter your space. A clean, organized workspace reduces distractions and helps you focus. Marie Kondo, author of The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, says that tidying can transform your life. Apply her principles to your desk by keeping only what you need and love. Natural light is a game changer. Studies from Cornell University show that natural light can reduce eye strain and headaches, and improve mood and energy levels. If possible, position your desk near a window. If not, consider using a light therapy lamp. Plants can also boost productivity. Research from the University of Exeter found that having plants in the office can increase productivity by 15%. They improve air quality and add a touch of nature to your workspace. Choose low-maintenance plants like succulents or snake plants. Personalize your space. Adding personal touches can make your workspace more enjoyable and motivate you to work harder. Photos, artwork, or a favorite mug can make a big difference. Keep supplies within reach. Store frequently used items close by to avoid wasting time searching for them. Use desk organizers, shelves, and drawers to keep everything in its place. This setup can save you up to an hour a day, according to a study by the American Management Association. Create zones for different tasks. If possible, set up areas for specific activities, like a quiet corner for deep work and a separate space for meetings or calls. This can help you mentally switch gears and stay focused. Invest in quality tools. Using the right tools can make your work easier and more enjoyable. Whether it's a high-quality keyboard, a comfortable chair, or noise-canceling headphones, these investments pay off in the long run. Manage noise levels. Noise can be a major distraction. If you work in a noisy environment, consider using noise-canceling headphones or white noise machines. A study by the British Journal of Psychology found that moderate noise levels can enhance creativity, but too much noise can hinder performance.